Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this smartphone. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Play Store. Then access background apps and click on the icon of your app. Finally, click on Open in pop-up view and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. If you want to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can always use it to overlay the other apps by tapping on the other one and using both. If you wish to make your app smaller, click on Home button and then access it by tapping on the bubble. In order to close it though, you can hold it and drag it to Remove section or simply swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!